Hello, my name's John Hillcoat. I'm the Quality Control and Product Development Manager here at Global Engineering Solutions. I'll just be quickly running through this video with you just to show you a few bits and pieces on your tanks. And this is version 1. There'll be a version 2. We've got a few things still to do, so we'll update on that one. So this is the stairs, all been hot dip galvanized. All the holes, we don't have a lot of mounting bolts in at the moment. It's a fit up, so it's just to check everything out. All the holes line up. It'll assemble very easily. We put the round-headed bolts up on the top there just to prevent any trip hazards, but all these bolts will come with 2 flat washers, a spring washer and a nut on each. We've got the chain just to stop any access to the tank tops. Stainless steel chain with a simple little hooks on them. And the platforms actually just sit down on the angle lines and are bolted through with bolts. And the platform sections are all made so they fit inside a shipping container, and once on site we just sit them up on the tanks and they're bolted together. That's them right there, that's 2 bolted together. This is a pressure test procedure we're doing here. We've actually already done the pressure test on these tanks. They're done before they get painted, but we're just doing this for an example. We've actually got it pumped up to 5 kPa here, and they go around and spray inside and outside of all the tanks, all the wells, and just make sure everything's okay. This is the QC cabinet, and we're checking the different levels here. So we've got the very low point halfway up the tank and 3/4 of the way up the tank. These 2 handles here, that one there will return it back to the tank, the main tank. The bottom one returns it to the product return vessel. That's where you'll put in your little water detector. And this is the product return tank. It's got two drains out of it. One, you can take the drain straight out of that center one there, which is the very low point. That's it right there. And then we've also got this one here, which takes it from a higher level, so there's no rubbish or anything returned back to the main tank. That's the 3 different stages there. So the long one's right down into the sump. We're at halfway and at 3/4 of the way up. And that's the 3 tubes there running up to the pump. I won't explain all of these fittings yet. We'll do that on version 2 once they're all labelled. I'll run through and explain what each of them are. Here we are inside the tank. That's the floating suction. The floor's been ground so it holds no water. As you'll see, it's tapered into the center, and it's also tapered along the length of it, so any water will run down into the sump. This one here is the inlet valve, so that's where you'll pipe into to supply the tank with fuel. That one there was the suction. If there's anything else you'd like to look at specifically, please give Rob a call and just have a chat with him. I'm happy to go through anything in detail. There will be a version 2, obviously. We've still got a few bits and pieces to do on it, but that's pretty much it for now. And like I said, if you need to see anything else, just contact Rob. Okay, until version 2, thank you very much. I'll see you next time.